Welcome to Key West, the southernmost point of the continental U.S. This tropical island city in Florida is known for its vibrant nightlife, pastel-hued conch-style houses, and rich maritime history. Surrounded by crystal-clear waters, it offers stunning sunsets, coral reef diving, and a laid-back atmosphere that attracts artists, writers, and adventurers alike. Located about 90 miles north of Cuba, Key West is a paradise for those seeking beauty and inspiration. Our journey begins in the historic old town of Key West, where the houses are known for their vibrant, pastel-colored exteriors and distinctive conch-style architecture. Many feature wide verandas, metal roofs, and intricate woodwork, reflecting the island's Caribbean and Victorian influences. These charming homes, often surrounded by lush gardens, contribute to the laid-back, historic character that defines the city's unique atmosphere. Clinton Square, located in Old Town, is a historic plaza near Mallory Square, featuring monuments that honor naval heroes and the island's maritime past. Surrounded by lush palm trees and close to the waterfront, it offers a peaceful spot for reflection amid the city's bustling attractions. Not too far from Clinton Square is the famous Duval Street, the lively heart of Key West, known for its vibrant mix of bars, shops, restaurants, and art galleries. Stretching from the Gulf of Mexico to the Atlantic Ocean, it's a popular destination for both daytime and nighttime exploration, with colorful, historic buildings lining the street. Whether you're seeking a relaxed cafe or an energetic night out, Duval Street offers a unique blend of local culture and entertainment. The southernmost point of the continental U.S. marks the furthest point south on the mainland of the United States, located just 90 miles from Cuba. This iconic landmark, with its colorful buoy, draws visitors for photos and offers a symbol of Key West's unique geographic position. Key West is home to the only state park in the U.S. dedicated to a shipwreck, the Dry Tortugas National Park, which is accessible only by boat or seaplane. The island also boasts a rich literary history, having been a popular home for authors like Ernest Hemingway, who wrote some of his most famous works there. Thank you for watching.